The Hill Farmers Union is celebrating its 30th Foundation Day today, the 13th of May 2022. A gathering of farmers of the state was held at the MALKI ground Shillong, where prominent farmer leader of the UP KISAN MAZDOOR MORCHA and former MLA of UTTAR Pradesh graced the occasion as chief guest. Others present included President of Hill Farmers Union, Commander SHANGPLIANG, besides others. Addressing the gathering, the farmer leader VM Singh enlightened the farmers on the legislation for guaranteed minimum support price to farmers for the sale of their produce, which will not only benefit them but will automatically contribute to the increase in the country's gross domestic product (GDP) or the total monetary or market value of all finished goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specific time period.
You will see whole of Meghalaya farmers will be in one grip. You have to only be united and go ahead. Hill Farmers Union will not just remain in Meghalaya but all over the northeastern states. Hill Farmers Union will also give a member of parliament. Hill Farmers Union will also give a MLA from here. Go ahead. The field is yours. Go ahead, take it. You have young people, youngsters who have the vision, who have the drive. They want to go ahead. Give them support. And then have agitations, not disturbing anybody, but in every village. We want this. We will not pay this. We will not take less weight. If you give a papaya by a piece, it's fine. But if it is by weight, then the weight reduces. What nonsense is this? If you are there and united, you shall succeed. Take a chance, try it out. You know, today in the Union Cabinet, people talk about the Union government giving 6,000 rupees a year to the farmers. How did it start? These boys were there with me. Mr. Shetty was there, we were all there. All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee, in 2017 we established that we want total debt waivers in the country for the farmers. No farmer should die because of debt. And we need minimum support price. Why do we need minimum support price? Why not MRP? You said MRP twice, Commander, but you said minimum retail price. It is maximum retail price. We buy our diesel at MRP, maximum retail price. We buy our fertilizer at MRP. We pay wages to our fellow countrymen at the wages set by the government. We pay electricity charges as set by the government, which is again a maximum rate. Everything we buy at MRP, and our input cost is based on the MRP, and we should be getting MRP. But the government declares MSP, that is a minimum support price. Nobody can buy for less than that. And that too we don't get. The government is bound to listen to us. And Mr. Modi, he speaks about a 5 trillion economy. Is that possible without giving anything to the farmers? Is that possible? Mr. Modi, we'll help you. The moment you give the MSP to us, a guaranteed law, whether it is paddy, whether it's tea, whether it's fruits, or whether it is milk, we want MSP for everything. And once that is there, from every acre, we get at least about 10,000 rupees extra every year. No, and that 10,000 rupees, the farmer, whether it's in Meghalaya, Tripura, or Jammu Kashmir, or Kerala, or Kanyakumari, no farmer keeps money in the banks. The moment they get the money, they spend it in the markets. So therefore, if the market is going to be plowed with or pumped with 3 to 4 lakh crore rupees extra, or 4 to 5 lakh crore rupees extra per year, then the market, the GDP will also increase. And we'll have probably a passage towards the 5 trillion economy. We'll all do very well. So Mr. Modi, we are going to be helping you. Please listen to us. Give us an MSP guarantee law. And the farmers and the coming generations will be always willing to serve the country. We